Today I'll be showing you how to be. I'll show you how to make a garage door, just in case you don't know. Okay. First thing you just have to do is get a moving part. If you wanna, if you want it with a button, that will make it more realistic. So I'll use it with a button. Scale it to any size you want. This is gonna be the garage door. Just want to show you how. It's your choice. How big you want the garage door. Okay. Oh god. After you're done that, wait a second. After you're done this, let me just scale mine a little more. Okay, now make the Eastern single. You can make the move time anything you want. Really, I don't care about the move time too much. You can just make it anything you want. I'm gonna keep it at. No, let's make it 10. Wait, let me charge it so it doesn't die on camera. And I didn't tell you that's funny. That's okay. After you're done this, you can put light if you want. I'll make the move time 10. Now just make the corners. Now just make the corners. It depends on if you. This is also kind of a click door tutorial. So it's a garage door and a click door tutorial. I guess I'll name it that. You can make it. Oh god. Don't scale it like me, okay? Just scale it to anything you want. Put it right next to the garage door. Make this collide no. False collide. Oh god, it's lagging. Okay, I'll make a brick. You can make it anything you want. Brick looks good. Okay. Now just copy it if you want. It depends on if you want the sides. I can tell a lot of people don't want to waste their time, so they're not gonna do the sides. If you want the top, you can do the top. I'm just doing this because I like it. Just scale it to whatever you like it. And yeah. So now we're done the frame. Now with the button part. Wait. You can make this also whatever you want. I'll just make it metal. Little darker. Bro, metal looks bad. Yeah, that looks good for me. You don't have to copy the exact design as me. You can make it any design you want. Now place a button. Make it activate for others. Active parts. Now just edit objects and put it right here. This can be the same. You can also make this the same. And now make the click radius anything you want. It can be anything you want. I'm just gonna do 30. And now the garage door should work. If it doesn't, I will make an updated version for you guys. It works. Oh yeah, you can also make this however you want. Now just put the button anywhere you want. It doesn't matter about the button. Yep, I'm still recording. doesn't matter where you put the button. I'm gonna just put it near the garage. I'm gonna make it a garage door. This is also a click door, and just make any color you want. This is also a click door tutorial, and and then you're done.